In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on Viagogo. Before you list anything, the first thing to do is make sure your Ticketmaster tickets are actually eligible for transfer or resale. This is important because some event organizers place restrictions on what you can do with tickets after purchase. If transfer or resale is blocked, you may not be able to complete the sale later, so it's always best to check this upfront inside your Ticketmaster account. Once you've confirmed your tickets can be sold, go to Viagogo and either create an account or sign in if you already have one. Make sure your account details are accurate, since this will help with both managing the sale and receiving your payment later on. After you're signed in, click on Sell Tickets. Viagogo will ask you to search for the event you want to list your tickets for. Take your time here and make sure you choose the exact event, including the correct date and location, because buyers rely on this information to know exactly what they're purchasing. Next, enter your ticket details carefully. This usually includes the event name, event date, section, row, seat numbers, and the number of tickets you want to sell. Accuracy matters a lot at this stage. If anything is entered incorrectly, it could cause problems for the buyer and could also affect your seller account. So double check everything before moving forward. You'll then set your asking price. As you do this, review any seller fees shown by Viagogo so you understand what you'll actually receive after the sale. A helpful tip here is to price your tickets realistically based on demand, seat location, and how close the event date is. That can make your listing more competitive. Once everything looks good, publish your listing and wait for a buyer to purchase the tickets. After the tickets sell, follow Viagogo's delivery instructions exactly. If your tickets are mobile transfer tickets, log into your Ticketmaster account and transfer them to the buyer or to the transfer email provided by Viagogo within the required time frame. Timely delivery is very important, so don't delay once the order comes through. After the transfer is complete, confirm it on Viagogo if that step is required. It's also a good idea to keep proof of the successful transfer, such as a confirmation screen or email, just in case you need it later. Finally, after the event takes place and the transaction is fully completed, Viagogo will send your payout using the payment method you selected based on its payout schedule. And that's how to sell Ticketmaster tickets on Viagogo.